welcome to National Headlines. I'm Amina Ansari and I will be taking you to the top headlines from the leading newspapers of the country. Let's start with the Times of India. Supreme Court slams government for pick and choose of judge names. The Supreme Court on Friday disapproved the centre's practice to pick and choose names out of those recommended by its collegium for judgeship in high courts and apex court, terming it troublesome, which affects seniority. A Supreme Court bench said that government should not segregate as the names are recommended, keeping in view the seniority of judges, and such segregations disturb the seniority. Next headline is from the Indian Express. Welcome answering questions to CBI. Ethics Committee says Mahua Moitra after Hiranandani affidavit to Lok Sabha panel. Amid the cash for query allegations, Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra on Friday said she welcomed answering questions from the Centre Bureau of Investigation CBI and the Lok Sabha Ethics Committee, which she noted had absolutely majority of BJP members. Let's move on to the headlines from the Hindu. Law Commission to share its One Nation, One Election plan with Kovind-led panel next week. A panel headed by former President Ramnath Kovind has invited Law Commission to discuss its proposal on holding simultaneous elections. The commission, headed by Justice Ritu Raj Awasthi, is working on a plan that will allow state assembly elections to be held along with the parliamentary polls in 2029. Next, let's move on to the headlines in the Economic Times. Looking to cut debt burden, Finance Minister. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said on Friday that the government is looking at reducing its debt burden further and has already resorted to prudent spending by resisting the temptation of fiscal profligacy, especially after the pandemic, to avoid burdening future generations. Let's move on to the headlines from the Telegraph. Delhi High Court rejects AAP Sanjay Singh's plea against arrest in money laundering case. The Delhi High Court on Friday refused to interfere with the arrest of AAP leader Sanjay Singh as well as his subsequent remand in Enforcement Directorate's custody in money laundering case related to the now scrapped excise policy of the city government. Finally, our last headline is from the Hindustan Times. You are not the Republic of India, top court tells of CBI. The Centre Bureau of Investigation cannot equate itself with the Republic of India, the Supreme Court observed on Friday, taking umbrage at the agency filing petitions representing the Republic. Why have you filed as the Republic of India? You are not representing the Union or the Republic. A bench of Justices A.S. Oka and Pankaj Mithal remarked as it came across a petition filed by the CBI as the Republic of India. That's all for National Headlines. To stay updated on the latest headlines from the leading newspapers, do join us on National Headlines from Monday to Saturday at 11 a.m.